Alright guys, we've got another video for you. This one is LED Light Show Challenge number 2. Alright, let's take a look at what it is we are doing here. So I'll play this scene. This should be the first scene you get to. It says, the LED light show is drawing near. Continue getting ready by making 3 more patterns. Create 3 more patterns that can be found in the Pirates song from last year's show. The Pirates song can be found on Mr. Eversole's YouTube channel, and then it's got the link to it. Alright, so this is going to be just like the last time we did this. You're going to program 3 different patterns, and the patterns you're going to choose are from the Pirates song. Now, these are the 3 patterns that we did last time. They're already done here. So let's take a look at some of this here. So if we take a look at the code, I've added a little bit, not too much. It should be very similar to what you did last time. I think I added an off. And under each one of the patterns, pattern 1, 2, and 3, you'll notice that I put a new function. I named them. And they're just down here at the bottom. So there's chaser, and then here's random light up, and evens and odds. And then there's a couple other ones that I was messing around with. Brighten up the whole strip. Okay, so what we need to do is in this challenge, we want to create 3 patterns from the light show that we did last year. So let's take a look at that. Let's see if we can find the video right quick. So if you look in your week 5 folder, you'll see Realm LED Pirates. If I click on this, I can press play on this video.
Pirates of the Caribbean version.
And what you want to do on this is you want to watch this video and pick out 3 patterns that are in this show and recreate them. So there's one with them lighting up. We've already made this one. This is basically like a random light up right there. Then we have the chasing one, but you'll notice that the chasing one has like 5 lights instead of just 1. Then you can see like the whole strip lights up purple, then blue, purple, then blue, purple, then blue. And there's that random light up again. And then that one looks kind of like the odds and evens, but it's kind of slow. Purple and blue. And then here's another chasing one, 5 or so, and then you can see another one follows behind it, a bright light up, and then the lights just switching colors, the whole strip turning off and then back on, different colors. And then you can see like the lights are on and then they're like turning, like individual ones are just turning off. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to watch this and pick out 3 new ones. That one's pretty cool. That's like a twinkle. Maybe make the twinkle one. That one. So I guess your options are kind of limited, but make 3 other ones from this light show and make 3 more. Alright, so the other part of this is if you go to the LED light show here, I added another scene. It's called Building Light Up. If you make you could actually make the songs inside of these. So I added this Building Light Up. This is the outside of our building. And if you click one of these 3 songs, it'll play the songs that we used I think it was last year for our light show. That's pretty loud. And then this one, the Pirates. And then this one. So I don't know if that was too loud for y'all to hear. That was really loud in my ears. But the video here, this part will be something that you can do. You could like make your whole. You could actually remake that Pirates of the Caribbean one. All you would have to do is put the songs in for patterns 1, 2, or 3. I was kind of messing around with it a little bit. Let me yeah, I've got a couple seconds if y'all want to see. So what I did is I took this and I put this in here. It's not much. I just worked on it just a little bit. We're going to be working on it more this week. But so now my pattern 2 should be this. Let me see if I can turn down my Godot so I don't blast my eardrums out. There we go. Alright, let's give this a shot. Okay, so now if I play this building light up thing and I choose the pirate song, you can see that it starts to light up like the song, and then it starts to do the twinkly part. All right, so I kind of gave you a good foundation here to work with. The main thing you want to do is get 3 new LED patterns programmed. I want 3 more patterns, 1, 2, and 3. That's what you're going to do. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video.